discussed g of t equals cosecant of t, which is the same as the reciprocal of sine of t. We will examine the range of this function. We know that the range of sine of t is the same as from -1 to 1, including the endpoints. When we discuss the domain, we ruled out sine of t equals 0. That means sine of t cannot equal to 0. We'll divide into two portions. Sine of t can be from -1, including -1, to 0, excluding 0, or sine of t can be between 0 and 1, including 1, excluding 0. If sine of t is less than or equal to 1 and bigger than 0, we can write down the inequality. Sine of t is less than or equal to 1. We divide by sine of t on both sides of this inequality. And sine of t is bigger than 0, that means we do not need to change the inequality sign. So we have sine of t over sine of t is less than or equal to 1 over sine of t, which is the same as 1 is less than or equal to cosecant of t. When -1 is less than or equal to sine of t, and sine of t is less than 0, we divide both sides of the inequality by sine of t. So we have -1 over sine of t on the left side and sine of t over sine of t on the right side. Since sine of t is less than 0, when we divide both sides by a number that's negative, we reverse the inequality sign. On the left side, we have negative cosecant of t. It is greater than or equal to 1. Then we can multiply or divide both sides by a -1. We will have the same effect. We multiply both sides by -1. We have cosecant of t on the left side and -1 on the right side. Since we multiply both sides by a negative value, we reverse the inequality sign. So we have cosecant of t is less than or equal to -1. We combine them together, then the range of g of t equals cosecant of t is the same as from -infinity all the way to -1, including the endpoint -1, union from 1, including the endpoint 1, all the way to infinity.